Guys, this is like one of the coolest things we've ever seen. I actually talked to Lifted Media before we came out today, and guess what they do? We have a drone videography team here. Freaking awesome. Lifted Media, guys, check them out. It's freaking awesome.
Sure.
Beto FPV, yep.
Yeah.
We got Brett, Brett, and then we got Dan, photographer, and then Natalie. Okay, awesome, yeah. So these guys are using these super sick, are they custom drones or?
Yeah, custom made FPV drones.
Custom made FPV drones? Yeah. How fast do they fly?
Over 100 miles an hour. Yeah, 100 miles an hour.
Oh
so
my God.
I can totally keep up, I can pass you up, you know.
Wow. Can you show these guys as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So we got the bigger cameras for, you know, for cinematic shots.
Yeah.
You know, and then we got the bigger drones as well, just to carry bigger, you know, just bigger payload.
Wow. Do these guys go even faster?
They go even faster.
How fast is that one over there?
Legally 99.
Legally 99.
Legally 99 miles an hour.
Legally 99 miles an hour, yeah.
If I can give you a bit, I'm supposed to chase that micro in air.
Yeah.
I'll take off in a bit and you can catch that.
Yeah, I'd love to. Yeah, let's do it. Let's see them in action.
Brent, do you have your screen, your goggles? Oh, yeah. Yeah, so you can ride along.
What you want? You want? Huh?
I'll let you ride. Yeah,
oh my God.
You can watch me.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's so awesome. That's so awesome. I've never actually used a drone before. So we're gonna use a drone.
That right there, in the orange.
Who are you recording?
I think I'm recording the guy in the orange helmet.
Okay.
Let me just verify, make sure it's him. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my God. This is unreal, guys. Absolutely unreal. Is it possible for me to show what? You guys see that? It's so freaking cool. It's unbelievable. Did you spray this?
Alright everyone, so before we go down on track, I actually want to make a quick clarification. The footage you're about to see is actually from Brent's drone. He's actually Peter's friend who just happens to also fly drones really well, and he decided to come out and join us for the day. The footage from the Lifted Media team is actually going to come later. So for today, we're actually going to be using a combination of GoPro footage as well as Brent's drone. I hope you guys enjoy this. I think this is a really neat application of videography for the purpose of motorsports and motorcycling. And before we get started, please leave a like for the video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you and enjoy.